I'm Stephen Penketh and I'm the Managing Director here at our family business Frost. Today gives me great pleasure to introduce you to our latest partner, USAG Tools. USAG was established in Germano, Italy in 1926 by entrepreneur Herman Amos, whose passion was to make the finest tools available. Today these superb hand tools are still made in the same factory, and USAG is partnered with the likes of Ferrari, Toro Rosso and Ducati Corsa, who demand the very best. Frost has been sourcing the very best automotive and restoration products since 1905, and we are delighted to exclusively represent USAG in the UK, offering you, our valued customers, the finest hand tools and cabinets available. Please visit our website below or visit us in the new store where you can check these tools out. We look forward to seeing you.